Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys Tips and Tricks video. This week we're going to talk about making certain changes to your item master file and whether that is the best way to make the changes you need. Sometimes you have items that you have been using in a very specific way in the past and you want to change that. Let's pick a raw material here. This is a raw material item that has been lot tracked. Maybe you don't want to lot track this item anymore, or maybe you don't want to keep inventory levels, so you just want to designate it as resource item. If you were to go and try to make the change in here, you will notice that you'll start running into errors. The first of them will be that item has non-zero stock quantities. So the first step you would have to do is to go and dump all that inventory. And then once you make your changes, you would have to bring it back. But that is not the only error. There will be a set of cascading errors. And in the case of lot tracking, you actually would have to go and purge, which means delete all of your lot history for this item, causing you to lose all past traceability. Instead, what we suggest is a different method. When you want to make changes to your item, leave the item as is and instead create a new item. Let's not say changes to RM 1001, but instead create maybe RM 1001-1. And let's copy all the information, including the qualified supplier manufacturing information from RM 1001. This will copy most of the information. And you will see that the price is not copied over. So we want to make sure price is the same. So we can either go to RM 1001 and see what that is. Let's for now assume that we knew that it was 55 cents. And now I maybe want to make this a resource item and a common item. It's not lot tracked. I can here in the extended description say RM 1001 um, characteristics change. So I can have a little bit more description to what I want because 2, 3 months down the line, I might not really remember where this item is coming from. So once I have this item saved, all I have to do is navigate to the administration menu, housekeeping option with replace, add, remove BOM component. You'll see that there are three actions available: replace, add, and remove. In this case, what I want to do is replace. I want to replace the raw material 1001 from all the BOMs where it is used and replace it with the new one that I have created. So in this case, I would select 1001 as the one I'm replacing, and 1001-1 is the one I'm replacing with. And what I want to do is I want to force a new revision and make this new revision the current one. And my increment mode, depending on how you number your revision numbers, can be ABCs or 1, 2, 3, or both. So I'll mark both. And then I actually can see a preview of what are the changes. Well, it seems I'm using item RM 1001 in 2 bills of material, and the original revisions currently are 0. So this process that I am about to complete is going to create the new revision 1 in each of them, and original item is 1001 and new item is 1001-1, and I can add comments if I want. And when I click post, it'll ask you if you want to create a backup first. It'll be a good idea to click yes. In this case, I'll say no for expediency, and BOM component replacement has been completed. Please note that this will not replace RM 1001, the original item, in your open purchase orders or open manufacturing orders. Those you would need to go complete or close manually. I hope this helps you use MISys more efficiently and effectively.